there and welcome. I'm back with another tutorial. This time I will be showing you how I create invoice/receipt envelopes with the business card slot using a Cricut machine. The following materials and tools are used for this project. To begin, open Design Space and start a new project. Select a square. Make it 6.5 by 10.26. Change the color to white. Now place it on the X and Y axis at 0. Select a score line. Make the length 6.5. Rotate it 90 degrees. Place it on the X axis at 0 and the Y axis at 3.5. Select another score line. Make the length 6.25. Rotate it 90 degrees. Place it on the X-axis at 0.25 and the Y-axis at 7. Now I'm going to select all and then click on Group. And just so you know, this is the front of the envelope, this is the back, and this is the inside, the part that folds in. Okay, for the top part, or for the front, I'm going to add text here. You could add the name of your business, client's name, a logo, or thank you. You can even decorate the front if you would like, or upload your own design and place it on the front. I'm going to add text. I'm using the font Cricut Sans, the writing style, and the size. I'm going to use 18, and I'm also going to change the color, and you can change it to whatever you want. Now I need to flip the text, so I'm going over to flip. I'm going to flip it horizontal, and then I'm going to flip it vertically, and I'm just going to place it on the front, and I'm just going over to the Y and placing it on the 1.75. In the next squared section, the back, you could add a circle, a square, image, logo, and or text. I'm going to select the circle. I'm going to make it 1.5. I want to change the operation to pin to draw the circle. So I'm going over to Operation and click on Pin. I also want to change the color of the circle. So I'm going back up to Operation and just choose a color. Now you can also add an image, logo, or text inside the circle. I'm going to add text. And I'm still using the Cricut Sans font writing, and I'm going to make the size, let's go with 14. And I'm also going to change the color. And I'm going to place it inside the circle. Now I'm going to select both of those, align, center, and then I'm going to group them together. Now I'm just going to place it here in the middle. Now to add a slot for the business card for the third section here, this is how I do it. I'm going to select a score line, make the length 3.25, rotate it 90 degrees, Now I want to convert the score line to a cut line, and we'll go up to Operation and just click on Basic Cut. Now select a stretched oval and make the width 0.45. And the height 0.2. Change the color to white and rotate it 90 degrees. Now we're going to duplicate it. Now we're going to center the line between the two circles, and to do that I'm going to select one of the ovals in the cut line. So I'll just select both of those, go to align left, center vertically, and then I will group. Okay, now repeat the process on the other side. Select both the oval, circle, and the line, go to align right, and then center vertically, and then click on group. Now place it on the bottom square towards the top, select all, and then we're going to align and then click on center horizontally. And with everything still selected, we're going to click on attach. Now to get the space or opening on the inside right of the envelope, select a square, make the width 0.25, and the height 3.26. Place it on the x-axis at 0 and the y-axis at 7. I'm going over to the layers panel because I only want to choose or select both squares only. I want to select this square, which is this square here, and this square here. So I'm going to, with that one still selected, go down to the bottom and then select that square as well. And then I want to click on slice. Now I'm going to remove the unwanted sections. And to get this section here, I need to click on this square and send it to the back. And then just remove that. And then just go ahead and delete that. Select all of this and click on attach. To add the middle fold flap that will go here on this middle section, this is how I do it. I'm going to select a hexagon. I'm going to make the width 3.25 and the height 2, and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now I'm going to place it on the x-axis at 5.5 and the y-axis at 3.75. As you can see, it's on top of the square, but it's also overlapping, and this is in preparation for welding the two shapes together to form one. So now I'm going over to the layers panel, and I only want to select the hexagon and the square. Select the hexagon in the layers panel, select the square as well. So I'm going to click on the square, and as you can see, the square and the hexagon are both selected. And now I want to weld. Now I'm going to click on the square, go to arrange, send it to back. To add the last score line, select a score line. Make the length 3.25. Place it on the x-axis at 6.5. and the y-axis at 3.75. Now select all, which is everything, and we're going to click on attach. Now, before selecting Make It, do a final check of the Layers panel to ensure the correct operations are set up to cut, draw, and score. The total layout of this envelope is 7.5 by 10.26, which gives us a 6.5 by 3.5 invoice/receipt envelope. So you can only get one per sheet if using 8.5 by 11 paper. Remember, you can modify the dimensions to fit your needs. I'm going to select Make It, and I will return with the results when cutting is complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed what I've shared, give it a positive like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Also, if you have a topic suggestion on what you would like to see, drop them in the comment section below. Remember, stay positive, appreciate your progress, and I'll see you in the next video.